Many people find the real power of the Sigrid in the season 1, and she was basically a hero everybody was having in his team. So in this video I'm going to share you my personal opinion why this hero is going to still be one of the best heroes and one of the heroes everybody's going to level up even in the further seasons. And there is something that we cannot ignore, and this is the healing prohibition and attack penalty. Those type of buffs is going to work everywhere. So first thing we have to mention, and this is the ultimate. This ultimate is doing 820% poison damage, and of course 75% chance to inflict healing prohibition and attack penalty for 10 seconds. It's not for 5 seconds, for 10 seconds. Of course, the chance increased by 25%, so it's basically 100% when you put some skill up on the Sigrid. Of course, there is a Venom arrow that is going to give you again 100% chance for healing prohibition. And the most important thing that actually separates Sigrid from the rest of the heroes is actually this first skill. Absolutely unique skill, and this is 25% ultimate energy when the enemy infected with debuff dies. So if you have a hero that inflicts some kind of debuff and hit multiple targets, I'm going to give you of course some example. Karf is a season 2 legendary hero. I get so lucky to get this bad boy and I'm so happy with him. But his ultimate is going to inflict with the burn. This is one of the things. The second hero is of course Burgas. This is one of the best epic heroes in the Dragonheir Silent Gods. Even Usha, that she is one 3-star hero, but in my opinion is also one of the best 3-star heroes in the Dragonheir Silent Gods. With her ultimate she's going to inflict with the frost, 100% chance to inflict with the frost. All these debuffs is going to make Sigrid absolutely insane. And with this decent damage she's doing with her ultimate to multiple targets, Sigrid is one of the best heroes for multiple targets. It didn't actually matter if there is 10 targets or 15 targets. The only thing you need somebody like Burgas whose ultimate is hitting the whole map, or maybe somebody like Karf, whose ultimate also hit the whole map. And of course I'm going to show you a combat test and to see the power of the Sigrid, even though that we don't have any extra boost from here. We don't have poison and lightning, either fire or frost. We don't have any elements, so let's jump and I'm going to show you what the Sigrid is still mean in Dragonheir Silent Gods. And here is Burgas and Karf, both of these heroes. Okay, Sigrid is firing up, Burgas is going to hit, and maybe if... Okay, Karf is going to hit, and see the power of the Sigrid right now. Boom, 22,000 hit. Of course, this hit can go up depending how powerful is your Sigrid. I'm going to show you some of the artifacts I'm using on this hero. Right now the gear is not one of the best gears, just because I don't want to spend any stamina on the gear that I'm going to change in the near future, and that's why the Sigrid is not doing huge damage. But like you see, she's clearing everything. Burgas is going to do the damage, and maybe some of the other heroes is going to kill. Okay, 5 hits, all these things is almost die. All these goblins is almost dead. Sigrid is absolutely a must hero, season 1, season 2. Very easy to get. It's a 3-star hero. Basically everybody can get it. And like you see, she's clearing everything. And when the next wave with the 5 gnomes is coming, she's going to have the rage to fire up, couple times more from the rest of the heroes. As you can see, Sigrid is even outperforming my legendary Karf. That's basically I put one of my best heroes, best gear on this hero. So on the statistic, Sigrid is on top. She's doing absolutely massive damage. And for the Goblin Lair or any other place there is a multiple heroes, just put one DPS that is hitting multiple targets and inflict with one debuff. It can be Vorish, it can be Calf, it can be any hero you like. So as I promised, I'm going to show you the artifact I use, and of course this is going to be this one, a bow of the giant, and the wear ultimate skill get 14% damage bonus. Of course I can increase or refine more this artifact, but this is definitely a Sigrid artifact, since her most powerful weapon is her ultimate with the insane damage inside. She is a must-have hero in the Goblin Lair, also in Frost Domain, in the Flame Domain, and of course Grave of Wrath, since there the boss is getting healing. Of course you can use her also in the Grave of Venom to help you kill these circles around the boss. I don't know if not circles, but these balloons around the boss. And of course you can use her in the Grave of Curse, reducing the damage of the boss, and like this he's going to get less shield. Of course you can use her in the rest of these dungeons, but in general Sigrid is something unique, is some unique hero in the Dragonheir Silent Gods. So I don't think there any season in the Dragonheir Silent Gods is going to make people stop using Sigrid. This is one of the heroes for their progression that everybody is going to level up. It didn't actually matter what kind of season it is. Just the unique, this hero is just unique. Even he's a captain that is giving accuracy 30. And since she's applying debuffs, this accuracy is going to increase the chance these debuffs is going to be applied to the target. And healing prohibition and attack penalty that is 50% is going to be absolutely great benefit for everybody who is looking to progress in the Dragonheir Silent Gods. So I guess this will be for this video, guys. Let me know your personal opinion over Sigrid. How do you feel her? Is this a hero that you always going to level up? And see you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel and like the video if you enjoyed the video.